In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new page in Webflow. First, open your project in the Webflow Designer. Once the canvas loads, look along the left toolbar for the Pages icon. It looks like a small stacked paper symbol. Click it to open the Pages panel where all your site pages live. From here, you can quickly scan what's already there, and more importantly, add a fresh page. To create one, look for the New Page option near the top of the panel and click it. Depending on your current plan, Webflow may display a prompt about upgrading your site plan. If that appears, click the Upgrade prompt to review what's included. You only need to proceed with an upgrade if you want features like password protection or per-page custom code. Otherwise, you can simply return to the Pages panel and continue. Back in the Pages panel, choose the New Page Template option if you want to base your page on a predefined layout. This is handy for keeping consistent headers, footers, or sections across your site. After selecting it, the Page Settings drawer will open so you can review configuration before moving on. Inside the Page Settings, locate the Access section. Click Restrict Access to see the available visibility choices. For most public pages, select the option that says anyone on the internet can access this page. You'll also notice a note about adding a site plan to unlock password protection for pages and folders. Clicking that link simply takes you to plan details. If you don't need gated content, you can keep the page public and carry on. Next, open SEO settings. This is where you manage how the page appears in search results, adjust the title and description tags, and decide if search engines should index the page. Clear, concise titles and descriptions help users understand your content before they even land on the page, so it's worth a quick review. Then, move to Custom Code. This section allows page-specific code in the head or before the closing body tag, which is useful for analytics snippets or experiments you don't want site-wide. Keep in mind that certain code features require an appropriate site plan. Once you've reviewed these settings, confirm the new page and close the drawer. You'll now see your page listed in the Pages panel, ready to